So Silicon Valley Banking, or SIVB for the stock symbol, has been an absolute mess the last 24 hours. And this is a perfect example as to why you need to understand your investment and don't just invest in things blindly. They were at almost $300 a share yesterday. Then they dropped down to 35 this morning. Then they spiked to 105. It was halted. Fraudulent activity was found during the halt, which brought it down to 65.08 pre-market, erasing the 105 spike. Then I told my moderators yesterday that I guarantee you they're going to be looking for a bailout from the government. Boom, that's what they were doing overnight. That didn't go as planned. Then they found an investor. The investor bailed out this morning. Now they're trying to find somebody to bail them out and buy out the company. That's not going very well. So for all of the new investors, the Reddit investors, the people who gotten this over GME and AMC, keep in mind, I know a lot of you think that just because a stock was at 300 that it's going to return to that, so get it low and it'll return high. No, this company may very well go under. Could you imagine had you bought puts on SIVB yesterday? You would have turned about 25 grand into almost $1 million freaking dollars on those puts. Absolutely insane what's going on right now with them. And of course, this is now trickling over into other banks because now people think that it's 2008 all over again with the crash and they're pulling their money out. So Chase is down like 6%. Bank of America, I believe, is down 8% pre-market. It's an absolute mess right now. But I also predicted this in the Discord a year ago. It's in writing in the Discord. A year ago, I said, don't invest in real estate in 2022. It's way too high. 2023, it'll come crashing down. The interest rates will come down. It's a perfect time to buy real estate in 2023. And no, unlike all these other clowns that kept saying this every single year, I didn't say this 100 times and get lucky with one. I specifically said 1 year, 2023. And guess what? I have shown everybody in my Discord, which you can access one of two ways. One through dailyinvestorx.com or patreon.com/investorx, whichever you're more comfortable with. The website has PayPal and everything else. But I specifically said I was putting money aside for this very reason. I even showed everybody starting in January how I was going to take just simply $30,000 of my money, triple that money, take a little chunk of that, around $20,000 to $25,000, put it into a more real estate, and then take that real estate, that $20,000 to $25,000 investment, plus roughly when you include property tax and insurance and everything, you're under $1,500 a month. And you pay your monthly fee. And then within a year and a half, you're going to take that money and that will be tripled, more than tripled. You'll have more than over $100,000 on your ROI from that investment. This is exactly what I've been showing everybody in the Discord, what I've been telling everybody in the Discord, and why you don't only solely look at stocks or only solely look at crypto. You diversify your money. And now we've taken that 30,000, we're at 60,000. That 60,000 is almost at 75,000. And over the next couple of months, I'll take about 20, 25 grand out of that, put it into another house, pay those bills, let it go through the freaking roof, and then sell it and make $150,000 profit off of that $20,000 to $25,000 investment that we more than tripled already. If you want to learn how to make money hand over fist, you might want to join